Sir, for JEE, we have ample resources. But when we are actually talking about VIT Vellore, VIT EEE examination, we don't have reliable or relevant resource. So what is the right way? So don't worry, all your problems will be solved in this video because our 10Q challenge brings to you India's #1 and most relevant VIT EEE crash course. And let's look at the video in the detail so that we will understand what basically we are offering you, providing you, by which you can scale up your preparation to the level that you will become very, very well prepared and confident in cracking VIT EEE examination. Let's crack VIT EEE together. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Also, we are bringing VIT EEE practice series for you. So, like this video as much as possible. And now let's understand the exam, basically what exactly it is asking us and what basically we are catering to you, right? So, in this course, what we are like, why you should basically join our course, because we are India's #1 VIT EEE crash course. We actually are fulfilling your dream to reach and get into one of the India's finest and prestigious college, VIT Vellore. Through our course, you will feel very, very much confident about your VIT EEE preparation because all the things you are getting in a structured and organized manner, you are getting complete course, complete syllabus covered within one single course, and all the relevant resources including mock tests and exclusive question bank, short notes, each and everything you are getting within the course itself. Remember that this course has been previously used by many students, and we have provided more than 2000 selections in past 5 years. This is the most relevant, most effective and reliable crash course. Here, complete physics, chemistry, maths, aptitude and English syllabus, quick revision, fast track revision is being done. All the important concepts and formulas have been discussed, plus most expected questions practice has also been done with the help of the recorded video lectures. As these are recorded video lectures, you can watch these lectures anytime and multiple times as per your convenience and pace. Plus, short tricks have also been taught to boost your speed and accuracy. Also, exclusive question bank and short notes are available as already been discussed. Plus, you are getting constant doubt solving support also. So, this is a most important factor also here. Plus, 10 full length VIT EEE mock test as per the latest pattern, and detailed solution and analysis is also available. So remember that when you are getting all these resources at one place, then definitely it becomes really, really instrumental in your VIT EEE preparation, that you choose the right resource and you actually start your preparation with the reliable resource. So this course is designed for maximum score in minimum time. Obviously, we are left with just 2 months. So it is right time for us to act now. And remember that this is our VIT EEE 2026 crash course. And here we are actually unleashing this crash course just for you, unraveling the crash course. And already we have discussed all the important factors that you are getting provided within the course. Plus, remember that one most important point is that the course is available purely in English. If you are from north part of India or if you are from the southern part of India, if language is barrier for you, then definitely you need not to worry. English is the one language which is applied and used by all the students across India. And obviously, VIT EEE crash course is designed purely in English, so you will understand each and everything carefully, right? So, what are you waiting for? Visit our website 10qchallenge.in right now and get yourself enrolled. Below in the description box, you will find the complete course related details, plus also step by step how you need to get yourself registered, and you can actually complete your enrollment. So procedure for enrollment is already provided. Remember that the course fees is just rupees 5500. It is very, very nominal fees, and on top of it, we are offering you a special discount which is applied valid just for today. 1000 rupees of special discount. After applying that, it will cost you rupees 4500 only. So this is a very nominal cost. So remember that if you invest in your studies today, if you invest rightly and wisely in your VIT EEE preparation, you will amplify your probability of success to an extent that you feel confident and you will feel ready for the VIT EEE examination. And with the consistency, due practice, right resources, right guidance, definitely we would be able to crack VIT EEE together. If you want to know more about the course or if you have any course related query, you can call us directly at this number 8839737146. So this was all about the VIT EEE crash course, India's #1 and most trustworthy VIT EEE crash course. So what are you waiting for? Go fast, check below in the description box all the details and finish your enrollment. Now with this, we will conclude. Tab tak liye Jai Hind. Thank you. God bless you. Keep preparing and let's crack VIT EEE together.